Okay, the TradeDevils volume profile. Okay, this is a very popular way to approach viewing the volume, and ours is very full-featured. It'll give you everything that you would need in a volume profile indicator, and as well as some things that we've built into it. So I'm just looking here now at a 1-minute S&P chart here, so you can just see the days. I've got our initial balance indicator on here, just so you can have some perspective on the day. So from our open, we can see here, well, here's my point of control. I've got my VWAP is being shown here directly from the volume profile. Here's my value area low, the absolute low of the day, and then while this looks like it's the high of the day, it's actually the midpoint of the day. So if I scrunch this up so you can see the full day, here's the actual high of the day, right? Because this is set to include the extended hours. So there's your absolute high of the day. Now here's the range here. So here is one standard deviation. You see how it grays out. Now you can set that to however you'd like it. We set it at one standard deviation so you can see the trading action of the day. This color coding can be set to whatever your preference is. So if we go in and look at the indicator and let's get over here and we look at the volume profile. So you have the capability to do just visible range, what you're looking at, or the entire session. So you could change that and just get what's on the chart in front of you. I prefer to keep it on the session for the day because I want the VWAP on the extended hours. All of this can be color coded to whatever you like. So I like the blues over here. This can be, this is very common. This is like you'd see it on TradingView, where you can have those color coded. You know, that's typically the TradingView default if you like that, right? So I don't want to lose any yellow lines here. Since our measured move and our golden zones are yellow, I don't want to lose that, so I keep them in blue myself, right? But it's up to whatever your preference is, or you might not have the same color palette that I use. But so here, I mean, everything that you would need here, and again, we give you a lot of detail here, and point of control and the VWAP. Those tend to be important areas to watch. Well, you can see here, look what the market just did. So if I grab a retracement here, so we just come here, so we came. Oh, let me get my toolbar here. You can see how important these numbers are. So we come. Here's the. Right, here's here's VWAP right as we come into a golden zone, right? So that would nice little sell. You had some structure here, but it's all just algos, guys, right? And it actually looks like you've got there's another one in there. It looks like from the low. If we get this, pull this over. Right, so there you go, right? So I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a perfect from the 50. You can't even see that. It's that little green, right? Do you see the green target there? Right, shit, I'm getting distracted talking about volume profile, but there you go. From the 50, we go right to the target. We tag the target as we hit the golden zone. Look at the reaction. Now we go back to the next golden zone, right? So here, volume profile is very, very useful to us. So we've got this big high volume cluster down here. So we want to pay attention to all of that. We spent most of the morning, right? It's all tied to that. So let you kind of just bring that across and see what we're responding to. If we break that, well then, of course, then this golden zone here will have a target. They'll be after that. Right? So same thing over and over and over again. But this is very important to see those levels where you've got price volume, right, rather than time-based volume. Very useful. Again, I wouldn't trade without it.